Rep, watch out lang dito sa, ano namin, sa gray namin. Mainit ulo na ito. Oo. Oo, si Buenas, so naka... Oo. Naritas na. Kamayan muna. Kamayan mo. Kiss mo.
Isang araw, sabi ko sa iyo. Alam mo, kilala ko na itsura niya. Dati kasi, ang laki ng pinagbago. Pare toke.
Game natin.
Mukha na, kilay.
Oh, ikaw yun, Thomas. Okay, matiko.
Oo nga. Eh ngayon, alam ko yung hugis ng katawan. Oo, kahit malayo. Oo nga, kahit malayo. Dati kasi parang nagpapa sa kanan. Kumaba o pumayat. Kumayat sa kanan.
Oh, sige, pagod ka na. Oy, congrats ah.
Yung
mga bata, sabi nyo, tatakbala rin tayo.
pumayat sinigil. Tsaka pinapadayan ko. Oo, dapat lang. Wala naman, bago mo sa kakasigaw. Pero magandang dapat ko, magagaling ko pa rin. Mga kilala ko mga mukha naman. Reading your parents' love like a report card. Pagkakataon mo bumante sa magulang mo. Galingan ni Coach yan. Pag ano niya yan, naibalik niya ulit yung mga yung palo. Pero tikitin yung mga video niya.
Sige, isa.
Ano nga eh, iba ka kagabi.
Yan.
Pag-ibig ang hangin ah.
And let's start the ball game. Last game of the night. One inch lang, 1 inch. 2 inch. 2 inch. 2 inch.
Reverse psychology.
Po. Ano tayo? Patakin po tayo, patakin. Patakin tayo. Patakin tayo, Di Guzman, Monroy.
Dami mong followers na.
Sino ba? Patakin tayo guys. Magiging yung mga taon na. Magiging yung mga taon.
Mabilis na nga sa'yo eh. Yun ang gusto ng coach mo. Yung sa kanya, inuulit niya. Tapos pinapapilihan dito. Paulit-ulit lang ba? Yung kala ko man. Hindi, yung heart.
Okay, let's start the ball game for our first five in the Boston Celtics. We have Adahar, Villarus, Duenas, seryoso. Adahar, Susi Dayaw, Adahar with an easy 2 points. Pagmasdan si Duenas, the unicorn. Monroy, pass to Legaspi to Yak. 3, what's the call? 3-second violation. Villarus, Sidayaw, long pass, Adahar, 4-3, no good. Villarus, Umere, no good. Pass to Sidayaw, floater, no good. Villarus trying to get the offensive rebound. Villarus forcing his way inside, using the glass. Easy 2 points. 4-0 agad. Dalawa sa isang tigisin. Bali dalawa. Regenting with a foul. Honey Ho. Ho with a first personal foul, first team foul. Honey Ho. Ho. Regenting. Pip the new shoes.
Eh kasing di siya ka.
First free throw
Siya nga kasi.
is good.
Ilang minuto. Siya, ilang araw siya. Ilang buwan.
Second free throw. Regenting is good. Walang sablay. 2 for 2. On the free throw line, Villarus. Ho with the screen. Villarus uses the glass. Regenting with the rebound in transition. Finds Monroy with the lefty is good. All 4 na po ang ating score. Mainit ang laban. Pip the shoes. Adahar inside. Loose ball po tayo. Monroy trying to find his teammates. Finds Legaspi. And Legaspi gets the foul. Villarus with the first personal foul. Second team foul. Maganda ang laban. Mainit. All 4 ang ating score. Legaspi on the free throw line. Nasasaktan din ng Diyos. God's bleed. Legaspi with the second free throw, no good. Villarus with a rebound. Villarus looking for his teammates, trying to find an opening. Villarus, Sidayaw lost the ball. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Sidayaw. Villarus, Sidayaw, finds Adahar, pass to Duenas, back to Villarus, fakes, inside, glass, no good, Regenting with the rebound. Traveling violation, please watch your step. Because I'm feeling myself. Monroy. Oh, pwede dito. Duenas to Adahar. Risky pass. Pass to Sidayaw. Stolen almost, but Adahar still got cross pass to Villarus. Villarus goes inside, forcing his way in. What's the call, rep?
Doon tayo dumaan.
I-rewind mo.
Number 1.
OA talaga.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Kanina pa ako.
Villarus, first free throw is good. Second throw. No good. Regentin. With the rebound. Monroy. Monroy trying to find his teammates. Monroy being forced by two people. And it's a foul by Villarus. Villarus with a second personal foul, third team foul. Regentin. Oh! Please watch your step. Carry your luggage at all times while you are traveling. Hands line. Line violation. Yes, throwing na. Regentin looking for his teammates. Monroy to Regentin. Regentin. Honey Ho with the top defense. Floater. No good. Honey Ho. Pass to Villarus. Villarus gets fouled. And Monroy with the first personal foul, second team foul. Unsportsmanlike foul by Monroy. Three minutes po, uupo, Monroy. Palamig ka muna, boss. Meron po tayong tubig sa gilid. See you in 3 minutes. Villarus going into the free throw line. Second free throw. It's good. Possession po tayo. Score natin 6-4 in favor of the Boston Celtics. Adahar to Duenas. Back to Adahar. Adahar goes into the screen.
Nice one, legal screening.
Honey Ho. What are you doing, honey? Honey. With an offensive, illegal screening pala. De Guzman. Duenas. Nakakapa sa gilim. De Guzman. What a great pass to Legaspi.
Villarus.
Number 5 with a second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty na po. Penalty. What up, Gabo?
Finally,
In the
Captain
house.
Pahinga
Shout out
natin.
to
Thank you.
Gabo. Come up here. Legaspi into the free throw line. First free throw won't go. 6-4 pa rin ang score. Dalawang kalamangan. It's almost a 5-minute mark. Second, wala po nga. Villarus, pass to Adahar. Adahar in transition. Adahar stolen by De Guzman. De Guzman in transition. 1v1 situation. De Guzman, what can he do? Blocked by Villarus. It's stolen. Villarus finds Sinayao. Oh my God! Matigas yung puno ko eh. Sinayao. Siligao. Duenas. Ooh! Please carry your luggage at all times. Oras natin, 5 minutes. Malapit na tayong mag-mandatory substitution. De Guzman, Legaspi, drives, using the glass, still won't go. Siligao, looking for his teammates, behind Villanuz, 1v1 situation. Oh no, almost lost the ball. Finds Adahar, looking for his teammates. 4-3, no go. Nag-continue to the rebound. Pass to De Guzman, 1v2 situation. De Guzman, hindi mo kakampi ang rep. De Guzman, no good. Napadalawang isip kasi dumaan si rep eh. Papasahan sana. Adahar, Villaruz. Adahar again. Adahar goes inside. And it's a foul by number 45. Mandatory substitution. 15. 15 with the first personal foul. 30 foul. 15 po ba, ref? 15, no? 15. Tama. Mandatory substitution. Mainit ang laban. 6-4 pa rin ang score. 5 minuto na ang nakakalipas. Pag pumasok sa Adhar into the free throw line, the shot won't go. Pag pumasok po, sub po. Pag pumasok. Shot won't go. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman, Gayoso ang nagmamadali. De Guzman goes inside. Pass to Gayoso. Blocked by James. Legaspi tries to put it back but still not go. Adahar. Baby bro. Baby bro. Pass to Kong. 4-3. No go. MJ. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman. Pass to MJ. Oh, what a fake! Oh, what a mega game! What a good binder! MJ, just like old times. Yes, sir. Muscle memory na yan para kay MJ. Adahar. Pass to Big Bro. 4-3. No go. Legaspi with the rebound. Looking for his teammates. De Guzman being pressed by 2. De Guzman with the ball. 3v2. Pass to MJ. MJ automatic. 4-2. MJ. Yes sir. Just like in 45. Lamang na po ang Narita Snacks. 2 points. 6-8. Adahar. Pass 2. Number 3. Forcing his shot, but still won't go. Finding their point guard. In transition. 3v2. De Guzman Pinale. What an amazing lane for De Guzman. Going into that gap. 6-10 ang ating score. Adahar going to the screen, but still. Big Bro finds number 3, forcing his way in. And who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Number 19. 19 with the first personal ba lang? First personal, warning for penalty. We have a new player, Musni, in the hood. First free throw will go. Second throw. Yes, sir. Now it's a 2-point lead by the Narita Snacks. The best cropping in the country. De Guzman, Leo to MJ, back to Leo for 3. No good. Legaspi with the rebound. Legaspi fakes, gets inside, and it's a loose ball. Maganda ang laban. Dalawa lang mga kalamangan. 2 minutes and 35 seconds na lamang natitira para sa ating first quarter. Finds in the corner for 3. Automatic, no good. Muski, floater, using the glass. And it's a tie game for Boston Celtics and Narita Snacks. Don't forget your snacks, people. De Guzman to Leo. De Guzman again. De Guzman forcing his way inside. Leo open for 3. Won't go. Adahar. Pass 2. And it's a loose ball. Narita Snacks with the possession. De Guzman forcing his way inside. Finds Legaspi in the corner for 3. No good. Rebound by Narita Snacks. De Guzman finds MJ in the middle. And it's a traveling violation. The rules have changed, MJ. It's not 1985 no more. Come on now. Adahar. Muski using the glass, no good. Carloso with the rebound. MJ with the ball. MJ. Look at that pacing. Look at the stature of this man. De Guzman. Trying to find his teammates. Trying to find an opening. MJ. Lost his defender. The shot won't go. Adahar. Spin. In transition. 2v4. Adahar. What a nice pass. What a nice find. And a traveling violation. Number 17. Kuya, talikod ka. Rodriguez. 44 seconds na lang. Running time po tayo. 40 seconds. 2 possessions left. De Guzman. De Guzman. Inside. Lost the ball. Muski. Finds Adahar. In transition. Oh no! 23 seconds. All 10 ang ating score for our first quarter. All 10 pa lang. Mainit ang laban. Pero huwag niyong kakalimutan, Narita Snacks provides the profit. De Guzman. Floater is good. It's a 2-point lead. Kong, pass pa Adahar. The shot won't go. It's 10-12. 2 puntos lamang ang kalamangan. We're going into the second quarter.
Ako ito. Nag-video-video rin ako. Two influencer compete for the same background.
And we're back into the ball game. We're back into the ball game. Oops, ito mo yan. We're back into the ball game. 10-12. Second team. 2. Number 45, 46 pala. Legaspi tries to put it back but still no good. Adahar with the rebound. Pass to Villaros in transition. Villaros. Oh no! What happened? Who's foul, rep? Who's foul, rep? Number 15, pushing foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Heroes to the first free throw. Second free throw will go. All 12 na ang score. All 12. Regentin. Libre-libre. Tumira na tres. Villarus with a rebound. Villarus finds at the half. The pass is too strong. So, to the man in the back. Monroy finds Legaspi in the corner, finds Yap in the middle. Yap for two, no good. Same ball po tayo. Number 46. Talikod. Bas. Monroy. Regentin, 10 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Please watch your step and carry your luggage at all times. Thank you for riding Philippine Airlines. Villarus finds Adahar for three is good. Adahar for three. 12-15 na ang score. Monroy. Oh, Duenas. Falling. Bas. Cora foul. Who's foul? Number 16. With first personal foul, third team foul. Bas. First throw is good. 15-13. Can he cut the lead to a 1 point? Yes, sir. 14-15. Isa na lamang ang kalamangan. Villarus goes into the screen, looking for his teammate. Someone to pass. Cross court. Adahar to Sidayaw. Duenas fakes. Lost the ball. Legaspi. And it's a foul by number 16. Number 16 with a second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw is good. And we're a tie game. A 1 point lead. Yes, sir. 16-15 ang ating score. Villarus. Trying to set up a play. Forcing his way inside. Duenas. Shot. No good. Rebound by Adahar. To Villarus. Fakes. Inside. Eurostep. What's the call? It's a foul. Number 15. Third personal foul. 46. 46, blocking foul. 46 daw, 46. Hindi 15. First personal foul, second team foul. Sidayaw to Villarus. 10 seconds to shoot. Adahar for 3 is good. It's a 2-point lead by the Boston Celtics. Monroy finds the Gaspi. Inside. Ho. Who's foul? Number 46. Time out. Naritas Snacks. 46. 13 foul. Villarus. Villarus goes into the screen. Finds Ho. Floater, no good. Sidaya with the rebound. And a block by Legaspi. 9 seconds to shoot. Adahar. 5 seconds to shoot. Adahar. Shot. No good. And it's a Narita Snacks ball.
5:30, di ba?
Monroy. Yup. To Monroy again. Monroy. Trying to set the pace. Behind the back pass. Basbas can't get the pass. It's the same ball. Monroy. Second team. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Villarus. Villarus. Pass to Adahar. Adahar to Villarus. Using the glass. Is good. Monroy. Monroy. 6 minutes. For second quarter. Monroy. 10 seconds to shoot. Yup. Thanks. Shot. Is good. And a foul. Dave Yap. Yes, sir. Number 11. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 11. Number 11. 11. First personal foul, 13 foul. Villarus goes into the screen. Villarus. Sidayao. Floater is good. Second team, thanks, and a traveling violation. Mandatory substitution. And we're back into the ball game. Adahar behind the back. Crisostomo, 4-3, no good. Leo to De Guzman. De Guzman attacking the middle and gets a foul. Who's foul, Rick? Who's foul rep? Number 6. First personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Second one. Gayoso! Musni with the rebound. Adahar. 3v3 situation. Crossover. Finds number 17, Rodriguez for 2, no good. De Guzman with the rebound. De Guzman. De Guzman. Who's foul rep? Number 17, Rodriguez.
Wala pa, wala pa.
Penalty na po tayo. Using the glass. Sir, 4 minutes and 30 seconds for our second quarter. Adahar. Adahar gets into the screen. And it's a foul by number 16. De Guzman. Laking foul. Warning for penalty. Second personal foul. Adahar finds Sabroso in the corner. Back to Adahar. And it's a foul.
Hindi ako.
Number 16. With the third personal foul. Penalty. Gayoso with a rebound. Legaspi to De Guzman. Legaspi at De Guzman. De Guzman. MJ. MJ being guarded by 2. 5 seconds to shoot. De Guzman. Good. Shot clock violation. Adahar. Lifting violation.
Wala.
De Guzman with the ball. Finds Leo. Leo fakes. Shot. No good. Sabroso with the rebound. Musni with the ball. In transition. 3v2. Musni spins.
Okay lang.
Foul number 16. Number 16, warning for graduate. Penalty po tayo, penalty. Fourth personal foul, De Guzman, penalty. Gaspi with the rebound. De Guzman with the ball. De Guzman. Legaspi. De Guzman. Almost made it to end. Legaspi steals it. Gets the foul and the bucket. Number 13. First personal foul. Adahar. Musni inside. Gets the foul. Who's foul rep? Number 3. Gayoso. Number 3, Gayoso with a foul. First personal foul, penalty. Both teams ba? Both teams penalty na po tayo. De Guzman. De Guzman forcing his way inside. Miscommunication. Adahar inside, pass to Sabroso. Sabroso with a shot, no good. Rebound by Legaspi. Legaspi looking for his teammates. De Guzman with the ball. Pass to Legaspi. Legaspi inside. MJ floater, no good. Rebound by Adahar. Trying to find Rodriguez. De Guzman dives for the ball. Adahar can't get the layup. Adahar with the ball. Tries to go for the reset. Shoots a 3. No good. Rebound by De Guzman. 1 minute and 30 seconds left for our second quarter. Our first half. De Guzman using the glass. Unbelievable. What a bucket. Adahar. 1 minute left. Adahar finds Musni. Musni using the glass, no good. De Guzman in transition. De Guzman lay is good. Sabroso finds Rodriguez. Rodriguez. 35 seconds left for our second quarter, our first half. Adahar finds Musni, lost the ball. $20 seconds left. And it's almost, what's the score? 24-27. Doritos Knox. De Guzman. Gayoso. Tinira. Wala pa rin. Gayoso. Hinabol. Let go. Easy 2 points for Adahar. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Leo answers the 2. And that is it for our first half. May cool down yung sprint eh. Nag 2 second sprint lang, nilito na agad. Nakalimang hakbang ka lang. This is second half, wala na pong mandatory substitution.
Ayaw yata mo.
Hindi. Sila, anong kalaban namin? Leicester bukas.
Ah, nila.
Adahar. Lost the ball. Same ball. How many seconds to shoot? Adahar. Traveling violation. Monroy. Leo. Legaspi. Inside. Forcing his way in. Moski with the rebound. Villaruz on transition. Villaruz. Rumaragasa. Monroy. Brigantine. 4-2. Answers the lane. Adahar, Sidayaw, back to Adahar, fakes, goes inside to Sidayaw, forcing his way inside, finds Adahar in the middle, but still the shot won't go. Monroy, long pass, Villaruz with a steal. Adahar, forcing his way inside, floater, no good, rebound by Legaspi, pass to Monroy, 3v1 transition, Monroy, pass to MJ, 4-2 is good. Adahar, pass to Sidayaw to Adahar na naman, 4-3, no good, rebound by Monroy in transition, 3v3, Monroy looking for his teammates, Monroy forcing his way inside, behind the back lane, no good, rebound by MJ, pass to Brigantine, 4-2, short, Adahar with the rebound, Villaruz in transition, Villaruz forcing his way, lefty is good. Monroy. Pass to Legaspi. Traveling violation.
Let's go, Boston! Let's go!
Adahar. Villaruz. Loose ball. How many seconds? 12 seconds to shoot. Finds it out in the middle. Floater using the glass. Monroy. Giunanga. MJ. Leo. 4-3. No good. Legaspi with an offensive rebound. But still lost the ball. Brigantine. Pass to Monroy. Monroy. Floater. No good. Rebound again. Tries to reverse. Blocked by Sidayaw. Same ball. Thirty-two, 33 ang ating score. Brigantine to Monroy. 5 seconds to shoot. Lost the ball. Good. Shot.
Let's go, Boston! Let's go! Let's go, Boston! Let's go!
32-33. Villaruz. Adahar. Back to Villaruz forcing his way inside. Pass to Diao. Back to Adahar. Kick out. Adahar. Mid-range jumper is good. MJ with the ball. Legaspi. 4-3 answers the jumper earlier. Adahar to Musni, Musni forcing it inside, passes Sidayao with the floater, no good. Rebound by Villarus, lost the ball. MJ, pass to Monroy, pass to Regentin for 2, easy 2 points. Adahar with the ball. Pass to Villarus. Pass to Adahar. So miscommunication. Monroy. Gio Nama. Leo for 3. Let's go! Gets the bucket. 20 seconds to shoot. Adahar for 3. No good. Leo taps the ball outside. Regentin. 1v3 situation. Regentin floater using the glass, but still the shot won't go. Villarus cross over. Sidayao floater, no good. Taps the ball outside. Villarus with the ball. Villarus, oh my god. Hits his head.
Ayos ka lang?
Yes. Villarus. Adahar for 3. Let's go! Gio Nama. Good. Monroy. Legaspi. Trying to find his teammates. Legaspi for 3. No good. Rebound by Musni. To Villarus. To Adahar. Almost lost the ball. Stolen by Legaspi. Pass to Monroy. 3v2 situation. Monroy. Gio Nama for 2. Mr. Automatic. Adahar crosses over behind the back pass to Villarus. Pass to Adahar. Left wide open for 2. No good. Taps outside. Villarus. Spins. Stolen by Monroy. 2v1 situation. Monroy to Regentin. Using the glass. It's good. Time out. Boston Celtics.
Mag-noting ka muna. So, thank you. Anong page yun dyan?
Alright po. Alright.
Mapanood lang na laro mo ba? Alright.
Pero naka-live po to sa page ng Zenilla. Doon po ako pinag-live.
Sige. Alright, vlog mo.
Aba.
And we're back into the ball game. Villarus. Looking for his teammates. Finds it out. Spins. Shot. No good. Rebound by Leo. Monroy with the ball. Monroy. Setting up the play. Pass to Leo. Left wide open. 3. Rebound by Basbas. Same ball. Nine seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Monroy. Finds Giunawa. 5 seconds. Basbas! And it's a foul by Sidayao. First personal foul, first team foul. Sidayao, Villarus, to Adahar, floater, no good, rebound by Leo. What's the call, Rick? Number 19. Loose ball. Substitution. Sabroso out, Adahar in. Villarus, inside. Who's foul, rep? 46 with a pushing foul. 13 foul. Adahar. Mid-range, no good. Rebound by Regentin. Regentin, long pass to Monroy. Monroy, almost lost the ball. Adahar to Villarus. Villarus to Adahar. Floater, using the glass is good. Monroy. Monroy with the ball. Nabiling violation. Adahar, stolen by Leo. Leo spins. No good. Villarus. Pass to Musnil. Lost the ball. Pass is too strong. Monroy. Going inside. Lane. No good. Rebound by Sidayao. Pass to Villarus. In transition. Adahar. With an easy 2 points. Time out. Daritas Nuts. De Guzman. MJ answers the 2. Adahar. Foul. Who's foul, rep? 19, blocking foul. Warning to penalty. Adaha. To Villarus. Inside. Foul. Who's foul, Rep? Who's foul? Number 13. First personal foul penalty. Second throw is good. Dalawa na lamang ang kalamangan. De Guzman. Apat na pala. De Guzman, inside, floater, no good, rebound by Adaham. Pass to Villarus. Villarus fakes. Using the glass. 15 to De Guzman. 20 seconds to shoot. Leo, blocked by James. Eight seconds to shoot. De Guzman, 5 seconds to shoot. MJ, left wide, open for 2. Six point 6.1 seconds pa. Six seconds. Musngi. And it's a foul by Basbas. Wave po yung foul kanina. Sidayaw. Adahar. Inside. A foul by Leo. Di na naman na yung foul. Free throw po, dalawa. Oh. 19 blocking foul. First throw, no good. That is it for our third quarter. And it's the fourth quarter.
Ano, hindi mapindot? Hindi mapindot.
It's the start of the fourth quarter. Last quarter na natin. For this night. De Guzman with the ball. Pass to MJ. Double team. De Guzman. To Lee Monroy. Regentin. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Adahar. Adahar behind the back. 2v1. Honey Ho. Honey Ho. With an easy 2 points. Monroy to De Guzman. Lost the ball. Monroy. Regentin. 4-2. No good. Rebound by save ball. De Guzman stolen by Sidayao. In transition, Adahar. All na ang ating score. It's a tie game. Tie game to get the first win. De Guzman penetrating inside. Two-point lead again. Adahar for three. No good. Rebound by Sideo. Pass to Adahar. Adahar inside, floater, blocked by James. Adahar with the rebound again. Using the glass. De Guzman almost lost the ball. Answers that miraculous shot. Honey Ho, Honey Ho, Honey Ho, 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 what are you doing? Oh my God. De Guzman for 2. And gets the foul. First personal foul, first team foul.
Jump shot yung ano ko, gusto ko makita.
Legaspi, what you want?
Sa atin, kanina bola kanina.
Ah, sige.
Okay po, ingat po.
Hello, hello, hello. Belarus! Oh my God! $53-55, dalawa lang ang kalabawan. 7 minutes remaining. MJ. Monroy. De Guzman. Oh! Sidayao! Adahan. Stolen by De Guzman. De Guzman. Using the glass. Easy 2 points. Belarus.
Let's go, Boston! Let's go!
It's a nice 4-point lead. Stolen by Ligas. Almost lost the ball. Musngi forcing his way inside. Gets the ball and the wall. Legaspi with third. Legaspi with the third personal foul. First team foul. Bagag. De Guzman. 57-55. What's the call, rep? Lifting. Belarus. Stolen. Gets it back. Adahan. Left wide open shot. No good. Musngi. Blocked by James. Oh no. That shot is too strong. De Guzman. 4v2. De Guzman. JJ. The snap. Belarus. 15 seconds to shoot. Winanhan. Grabe. Belarus gets the 2 and the 1. Number 14. Second team foul. Rebound, Musngi! Making sure that basket is in. On 59. It's a tie game, people. 5 minutes remaining. De Guzman. Monroy.
Defense!
Monroy.
Defense!
Shot clock violation. Adahan. Belarus. Left wide open. Fakes. Shimmy. Almost lost the ball. Adahan. Inside. To Belarus. Into Adahan. Lays it out. Oh, good. Legaspi. Long pass to De Guzman. Walang kasunod. Lays it up. Easy 2 points. Stolen by De Guzman. MJ does not disappoint. Easy 2 points for MJ. Counted. Graduate na po, De Guzman. Musngi, foul Villarus. Leo with a foul, got a body in the air. 19. Graduate na din. Isa-isa na silang gumagraduate. Foul na po. Isa na silang gumagraduate. Free throw is good. Legaspi. Monroy, 10 seconds to shoot. MJ still trying to keep the team alive. Villarus gets the foul. Warning for graduate. Ito ba? Or third? Third pa lang? Third pa lang, third foul. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 63. 63. Ayan na. Tatlong kalamangan. Villarus. Finds at the half. Puts up a shot. No good. Rebound by Requintin. 4v2. 4v2. Requintin almost has a ball. Oh my God. It's a miss. Villarus. Bas. Wala na. Fourth personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning to penalty na po. Ang Narita Snacks. Villarus. Goes over the screen, looking for his teammates. Stolen! One Monroy. Almost lost the ball. Finds at the half for the... Yes, sir! All 66 up score. Monroy. Legaspi. Monroy. MJ. Oh, lost the ball. Time out. Boston Celtics.
Boston, one time out, tapos ano, narita, meron pa kayo dalawang time out.
serve. We're back. Last 3 minutes of the game. Lamig. Villarus goes into the screen. Villarus passes sila yan. Nice play. Monroy. Pass to Legaspi. Legaspi. Lost. Regentin has it back. It's a foul by Nahar. What's the third personal foul? Penalty. Third team foul. Nagpagkaboses eh. Game. Oo. Monroy. 15 seconds to shoot. Regentin for 3. Musiki with the rebound. Villarus. Last 2 minutes.
Let's go, Boston! Let's go!
Loose ball. Ball. Monroy inside. Legaspi. Shot is good. Villarus. Umarangkada. Si Basbas. Okay ka na, pare. Okay ka na. Pinuubos niyo. (69, 68). 1 minute and 45 seconds. Kalmahan mo lang, kalmahan mo lang.
Defense!
1 minute and 45 seconds remaining.
Defense! Defense! Defense!
Ito na.
Defense!
Ito na.
Defense!
Ito na. Monroy. Regentin. Tinira. No good. Pinulikat. Villarus. Injury? Injury timeout. Injury.
Si Ben pag ano, wala pa sa IUP. Usually, it's the muscles tightening. Sumula pa sa IUP. Need to rehydrate.
Let's go, Boston! Let's
Villarus. 10 seconds to shoot.
go!
5 seconds to shoot. Blocked by James. Not in my house. 5 seconds. Shot clock. 69-68. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Boston. Out. Torita Stocks.
Intense talaga. 1 minute.
5-second shot clock. Sidayaw, Adahar. Sean for Yes, sir. That boy is made for this time. Secondin inside, gets a foul. 72-68. Sir, 69-72. Tres ang Kalamangan. Dalawang possession para 50 seconds left. Villarus. Adahar. Musngi. 10 seconds to shoot. Musngi. Huli. 5 seconds to shoot. Huli. Legaspi. Good. 72-71. Isa lamang ang Kalamangan. 30 seconds. Adahar. Villarus. 10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds.
Uy. Villarus. 4-3.
Oh my gosh.
Gayoso. Live ball po, live ball.
Pero what they could have done is to kailan hindi sila tumawag? May point na sila. They have 1 possession.
74-71. GG's.